Welcome back to Vermin Control Scotland. Please stop watching this video if you will be offended by legal pest control activities. Rats and other pest species must be controlled due to risks of diseases being passed on to humans and damage to infrastructure. This channel will be an educational resource on how to humanely dispatch rats using air rifles, night vision and thermal technologies to remove the rat infestations. All activities in these videos are legal in the UK. Thank you. Just a little bit of footage here. Just some comments in the previous videos asking what other methods do we use. We do use in this particular bit is a hush power pump action shotgun in 410 calibre, and we use that to dispatch large groups of rats. You've seen in the videos that they'll huddle up, they'll be around feeding areas, and this is when we use that. It's a 3-shot pump action shotgun with a moderator at the front. We're using this extensively, so it's good to reduce the sound on my hearing and others. Okay, let's get into action. So I've been sent some GSB Hades and 2.2 to use in the Airmaks Krait. So I did a quick zero on a paper target before I went on to live quarry. I have used the Hades pellets for many years. However, I was extremely happy to be given the opportunity to be sponsored by GSB. So going forward, I will be using the Hades on the rats, the feral pigeons and the rabbits. So as you can see here, they group very well on paper. So off to the rats.
On the green? Right, just stay there, Dad. But that... Oh. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.